Universities in our region are going plastic-free. Well, sort of. Dalhousie is the latest to announce they will no longer accept credit cards as payment for tuition. Now, this move is expected to save the institution hundreds of thousands a year in transaction fees. But some students say this move will actually prevent them from going to school. Global's Tori Yass has more.
I can't go to school in September if they do this.
Not everyone is happy with changes coming to Dalhousie University's tuition payment options. The school is doing away with credit cards.
This is, we think, a wise thing to do, particularly with the economic situation the way it is.
Dr. Alan Shaver says the school did a review of its finances and found it was spending $1 million a year on transaction payments.
And so when we looked at that and said, well, we have some challenges this year and we're looking at challenges in the future, we better seriously look and see whether or not that's really justified.
The student union says the university is not taking into account how this will affect its students.
For the university, it's a financial strategy that they're undertaking. For students, it might not be the best thing because oftentimes when you have loans, scholarships, that kind of thing, lines of credit, they don't necessarily add up to being enough for tuition, and sometimes you have to close the gap with credit cards.
Credit card payments have become very popular among students, so popular in fact that last year 40% of Dalhousie students charged their tuition to a card. Kendra Dion is frustrated. She says she was forced to use her credit card because she doesn't qualify for a student loan.
When I apply to the bank with no cosigner, all they can do for me is increase my credit card limits.
For others, it's more about the loss of convenience.
I guess it's kind of annoying. I've paid with my credit card in the past, and if I can't do that online, I don't know what I'm going to do.
The new policy